now we are at a beautiful place and location. This is a human-made creation called as a bridge. Got it, no? So this bridge story I will tell you. In 2007, then Chief Minister of Goa, Pratap Singh Rane, decided to build a bridge connecting Amuna and Viridi village. So decision was taken, but it could not materialize. So then in 2013, when Manohar Parrikar came as the Chief Minister of Goa, he put the foundation and he was successful in building the bridge in 2018. So this bridge is connecting two villages, Amona and Viridi. Earlier, you can see the people were crossing this river through Karekhazan to Ambeshiwada. So very small patch is there. So this is the Kudne river. Got it, no? So Kudne river, I have told you that it rises in Bhopal. Then another tributary that originates in Pisulle joins it at Gaonkarwada, and then it flows down as a Kudne river. So Kudne river from the height of about 40 meters tumble down, and you can see the waterfall of Rudreshwar. So from there the river is considered as very sacred. Got it, no? And then the river enter in Kudne. So can you imagine that this was the navigable river? Got it, no? Now you can see totally silted river. So a massive sediment has been deposited and river is totally gone. So there is very many government decide, the community decide, then only this river can be saved. Otherwise river is on the verge of extinction. So the river is totally silted. Then this river goes down and at Karekhazan it joins with the Walwanti river. And Walwanti, then you know the Walwanti flows and goes to Sarmanas and joins the Mandavi river. But here you can see the unique phenomena is taking place. The water from Amona area enter into the Kudne river, and then you can see the many creeks. Got it, no? So this is one of the unique village that attracted people from various regions to settle here. But today you can see most of the people, already the Sitaram Kamath told you that they migrated and settled in Margaon and Panjim area. So this transformation is taking place because of the we are going very near to the urbanization. So this is the very good location. That is why I want to show it to you. And here from here you can see the river is totally destroyed by own sun. Got it, no? The largest illegal sand mining activities of Goa flourished in this region. Got it, no? So this is the fate, poor fate of the river. The river once upon a time which was navigable. The Jain monk, Jain traveler were coming, entering the Kudne village through the boat. Can you imagine? So this is the sorry state of the river. So this river goes in that direction, and finally I would have shown you the confluence of the this river, Kudne river, with the Walwanti river, but there is need to walk almost more than 1.5 kilometers. Got it, no? And it is through the very hard terrain. So that is why I dropped it, and the last part of the day we will go to the orbit.